Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how notch command works in Revit. So let's start. By using the notch command, first of all, I need to draw some elements. So for that one, I'll go in a structural tab. I'll go for beam command. I'll draw a couple of beams. So I'll draw one, vertical and one horizontal beam, and then I'll rotate this one a little bit so that we'll be able to see what's going on. Let me, cross this beam. Okay, so right now if I'll cross this beam, if you'll see right here, both the beams are overlapping with each other, right? So what I want this particular selected beam to be cut where this particular beam is crossing this one. Okay, so how I can do that thing? It's very simple. First of all, go in modify tab, click right here for notch command, select the first element that you want to cut. Okay, the second element through which it is passing, select that one. Now if you'll see, it is cut. So if I'll go for front view, you'll be able to see how it has cut the beam. So you'll see right here that cut the beam. Okay. The advantage of using this one, definitely you can cut this one with the precision. And additionally, if I'll move this particular beam as well, for example, I'm moving this one, my cut is also moving along with that one. So that is the advantage. On top of that one, for example, you want to remove the notch. So for that, what you need to do is that again, click on this arrow icon right here, click on remove notching, select the first element on which you applied the notch, select the other element, the notch will be removed. So it's very simple, and it's very automated as well if you are working on BIM projects. So that's all in this particular video. Let's meet in my next video.